From the sparks of rebellion, India's dream of freedom soared, fueled by boycotts, marches, and the courage of millions. In this final chapter, witness how Gandhi, Bose, and a divided nation fought for independence, only to face the heartbreak of partition. In 1903, the British held a lavish Delhi Darbar for Edward VII, flaunting control. But in 1905, Lord Curzon's partition of Bengal sparked the Swadeshi Movement, with boycotts of British goods and a revival of Indian industries. The 1906 All India Muslim League demanded separate electorates. In 1907, the Congress split at Surat between moderates and extremists like Tilak. The 1909 Morley-Minto reforms granted separate electorates, fueling nationalism but deepening communal divides. In 1911, protests annulled Bengal's partition and Delhi became the capital. The 1913 Ghadar Party plotted revolution from North America. World War I saw 1 million Indian soldiers fight for Britain, expecting rewards. In 1915, Gandhi returned from South Africa, mentored by Gokhale. The 1916 Lucknow Pact united Congress and the Muslim League for self-rule. The 1917 Montague Declaration promised gradual self-government, but the 1919 Rowlatt Act crushed liberties. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre killed hundreds, galvanizing India. In 1920, Gandhi's non-cooperation movement urged boycotts of British goods and institutions. The 1922 Chauri Chaura violence halted it, and Gandhi was imprisoned until 1924. The RSS and Communist Party of India emerged in 1925. The 1927 Simon Commission sparked boycotts, and Lala Lajpat Rai died in a 1928 protest. The 1928 Nehru Report proposed dominion status, but revolutionary leaders like Bhagat Singh demanded more. In 1929, Jawaharlal Nehru's Lahore Session declared Poona Swaraj, marking 26 January 1930 as India's first Independence Day. In 1930, Gandhi's Dandi Salt March defied British laws, sparking civil disobedience. The 1931 Gandhi-Irwin Pact paused protests, but the Second Round Table Conference failed. Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, and Sukhdev were executed, fueling revolutionary zeal. The 1932 Poona Pact with Ambedkar secured Dalit rights. The 1935 Government of India Act granted provincial autonomy, and 1937 elections saw Congress win 8 provinces. In 1939, Congress resigned over India's forced World War II entry, and the Muslim League's Day of Deliverance widened communal rifts. In 1940, the Muslim League's Lahore Resolution demanded Pakistan. The 1942 Cripps mission failed, prompting Gandhi's Quit India movement with Do or Die. The 1943 Bengal Famine killed over 3 million. Subhas Chandra Bose's INA fought in Imphal and Kohima in 1944. The 1945 INA trials and 1946 naval mutiny shook British rule. Communal riots during Direct Action Day darkened the path. In 1947, the Mountbatten Plan brought independence on 15th August, but Pakistan's creation unleashed violence and displacement. On 15th August 1947, India's tricolour rose. But partition's scars and the sacrifices of Gandhi, Bose, and millions shaped a bittersweet victory. Thank you for joining our journey through India's fight for freedom, a saga of courage, unity, and hope.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.